welcome to my new video. This is my highly requested video. These are socks which I would like to wear with anti-slip. So this is anti-slip action. So when you walk with them on your heels, on your soles, you do not slip. And these are my slippers. I hope you like this video, the way I put on my socks, and now they are ready to be used because they got anti-slip at the bottom. So I'm going to use them with pleasure. They are absolutely new, so thank you for watching. Thank you for appreciating them. Thank you very much for coming to my channel and subscribing, and see you soon in the next videos.